Atal Bihari Vajpayee was an influential Indian politician who served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was born on December 25, 1924 in Shimapur, a small village in what is now Madhya Pradesh, India. His father, Krishna Bihari Vajpayee, was a school teacher and a poet, and his mother, Krishna Devi, was a homemaker. Vajpayee grew up in a politically and culturally rich environment which influenced his early development. He completed his early education in Gwalior and later pursued a Bachelor's of Art degrees from DAV College in Kanpur. Vajpayee then went on to earn a master's degree in political science from Delhi University. During his time at university, he became involved in political activities. His early involvement in politics laid the foundation for his future career in Indian politics. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's early political career began in the 1950s. He joined the Bharatiya Jana Sangh, a right-wing political party founded by the Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, which later evolved into the Bharatiya Janata Party. Vajpayee quickly rose through the ranks due to his oratory skills and dedication. In 1957, Vajpayee was elected to the Lok Sabha, the lower house of India's parliament, marking his entry into national politics. His eloquence and strong public skills earned him recognition. Throughout the 1960s and 70s, Vajpayee continued to build his political career, serving in various capacities and gaining prominence as a key figure in the BJS and later the BJP. His early efforts were instrumental in shaping his reputation as a leading political leader in India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee served 3 terms as Prime Minister, first for a brief period in 1996, then from 1998 to 1999, and finally from 1999 to 2004. He was a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and played a key role in shaping Indian politics in the late 20s and early 21st centuries. Vajpayee's government continued economic liberalization initiated by his predecessors. His administration promoted infrastructure development, including the ambitious National Highway Development Project, which improved road connectivity across the country. In 1998, under Vajpayee's leadership, India conducted a series of nuclear tests in Pokhran, demonstrating its nuclear capabilities. This was a high point as it asserted India's strategic position on the global stage. During the Kargil War in 1999, Vajpayee's government successfully managed the military conflict with Pakistan, which was seen as a decisive victory for India. His leadership during this period was praised for its resolve and strategic handling. This period saw significant economic growth and increased foreign investments, which was partly attributed to the stability and reforms initiated during Vajpayee's tenure. Vajpayee's first term in 1996 lasted only for 13 days due to a lack of majority support. The handling of the 2002 Gujarat riots during his second term faced severe criticism. Vajpayee perceived failure to take decisive actions against the violence marred his administration's reputation. Vajpayee's government faced allegations of corruption, particularly related to defense procurement, scandals like the infamous Tehelka expose which impacted public trust. Vajpayee led a coalition government with diverse parties, which sometimes led to compromises and challenges in political implementation. The need to balance various political interests sometimes hindered his administration effectiveness. Overall, Vajpayee's tenure was a mix of significant achievements and challenges, reflecting both his leadership strengths and the complexities of coalition politics in India.